Good morning, students. Welcome again to your maths classes. Hope you had done all your homework. Okay, students. Now come to our new topic, and that is a rounding of numbers. Okay, rounding of number means when we get the idea of the number, then we round the number. Means that sometimes we don't know about the exact value, we don't know the exact number, then we tell the number by rounding off. Okay, so in this topic we will learn about the rounding of the numbers nearest to the tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. Okay, students. Now first we learn about the rounding to the nearest tens. So first rule is, if the digit in the unit place is 0 or 1 or less than 5, okay, then we make the unit place 0. And the other rule is, if the digit in the unit place is greater than 5, then we make the unit place 0 and add 10 to the number. Okay, we can understand it with the help of the example also. In this example, we have to round off the number to the nearest tens. We have a digit of 34,974. So according to the first rule, here 4 is less than 5. So we make the 0 at unit place and our digit will be 34,970. Okay, understood? In the second example, we can see that the unit place is greater than the 5. Okay, so we will make the unit place 0 and add 10 to the number. So we will find a nearest 10, and that is a 5,94,170. Now we will learn to rounding off to the nearest 100. Same as it is, there is a 2 rule. If the digit in the tens place, here we check the tens place, is a less than 5, then we make the tens and the unit plus place both the 0. And the second rule is, if the digit is more than 5, then we make the unit place 0 and add 100 to the number. Okay, students. Now next topic is rounding off to the nearest 1,000. Same as it is, here also are 2 rules. First is that we will check the 100 place here. If the 100 place digit is less than 5, then we make the unit place as 0 and we will add 100. And if the digit is greater than the 5, then we add 1,000 and make the 100 tens and unit place 0. Okay, we can understand it with the help of the example here. Here a digit is given 2,57,995. So we will check the 100 place digit, and that is a 9, and 9 is greater than the 5. So we will add 1,000 and make 100 unit and tens place 0. Similarly, there is a rule for the nearest 10,000. For the 10,000, we will check the place of 1000 place and add 10,000 if the 100,000 place is digit is greater than the 5. Okay students, now it's exercise time. In this exercise we have to rounding the numbers to the nearest 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakhs. By applying the rules we can easily round up the numbers. Okay, now you have to do all the questions. Okay, our next topic is international system of numeration. The numbers up to 5 digit, the number name is same for the Indian system. Earlier we studied the Indian system. Okay, now here is a international system. It is little bit different with the Indian system. So here we will find the 6 digit number according to the international system. Okay, so it is also same. To find the 6 digit number we will add 1 in the largest 5 digit number and we will get the 6 digit number, and that is a 100,000 place, and this 100,000 value is the smallest 6 digit number. Okay students, now we will understand that what is place value chart. Place value chart is a table showing presentation of place values. Means here we will make a chart and we will put the value according to their places. Like if we will see this digit, there 2 is at 1's place, 1 is at 10's place, 3 is at 100, 2 is at 1000 and 8 is at 10,000 place. So that is very easy. First we will draw a chart like this and then we will write the head like ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000 and 100,000, and we will put the digit according to their places. Okay students, now our next topic is number names. We have to write the number names of the digit according to the international system. Okay, so here we can see that a digit is given. We have to write this digit according to the international system, and we can easily write it with the help of the place value chart. Here we can see that there is a 327,508. Okay, similarly there is a 564,725. Okay, now it is a exercise time. So we will solve our next exercise, that is a 1.8. In this exercise we have to write the following digit according to the 100, 1000, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Okay students, so when we will write it we will find 7, 100,000, 8, 10,000, 6,000, 200, 3 tens and 4 ones. Okay, so you can easily write for the other parts. Okay, now we will move to the question number 3. In this question you have to write the place value of the each digit. Okay, so to write the place value we will make the place value chart, and with the help of the place value chart we can easily write the place value. Okay, now our next topic is Roman numbers. Okay, Roman numbers, it is little bit different from the Hindu Arabic numbers. First we have to know that what are the Hindu Arabic numbers, that is a 0, 1, 2, 3. These numbers are known as a Indo Arabic numbers. Okay, so Roman numbers are little bit different. So here we can see that for In this system, the symbol I, V, X, L, C, D, M, such symbols are used. I is for 1, V is for 5, X for 10, L for 50, C for 100, D for 500, M for 1000. Okay. So now we will check the another rule. In this rule, here we can only repeat the number like 1, x only twice or thrice. Okay, means that we can only repeat the number 2 times or 3 times. Okay, not more than that. Like if you want to write 2, so we can write it 1 and 1. If we want to write 20, then we can write x. Okay, so there is another rule that symbol V and L cannot be repeated. Okay, now move to the another rule that when a smaller number is placed to the right of the greater number, then it is added to the greater. Like when we write 1 to the right of the V, then it will known as a 5 plus 1 equal to 6, and this is for 6. Okay, so that is a addition to the greater number, and if we want to subtract the number, we will write the left to the number. Okay students, like if we write 1 to the left to the V, then it is known as a 4. 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Okay students, so there are some rules of the Roman numbers. So with the help of these rules, you can easily write the Roman numbers. Now it is a exercise time. Okay students, so here a exercise is given to you, and that is related to the Roman numbers. Okay, in this exercise you have to write the Roman numerals for these digits, like 25. How you write the 25? 20 plus 5. 20 means x, and 5 means v, and you can write 25 like this. Okay, now in the second question you have to write the Indo-Arabic numerals for this Roman numbers, and XXXV. X means 10, so there is a 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5, and that will be a 35. Okay, so that is very easy. First you will learn the rules, and then easily you will write the Roman numbers. Okay, here is another assignment given to you, that is an objective assignment, and that is based on the whole chapter. Now you will solve all the question of this assignment. Okay students, here your chapter 1 is completed. Hope you understand all the topics of this chapter, and now you have to solve all the question of the exercise. Okay, so in the next lecture we will start our next chapter, that is a chapter 2 addition. So you will complete your work. Okay, thank you so much.